How to integrate ClickUp with Zapier. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can integrate ClickUp with Zapier. So let me tell you first about ClickUp. ClickUp is actually a collaborative software application where you can work with your colleagues and where you can work with your team. If you want to work on a data set or if you want to work on a project together, if you need to handle a lot of data files, then you need to use ClickUp. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into ClickUp. And once when you do, you can integrate it with Zapier. Now, Zapier is directly not available on ClickUp. So what do we need to do is we need to open Zapier first. Now, Zapier is actually an automation application. Here you can automate a lot of things related to a lot of software. So here, once when you're on Zapier, you need to click on create a new Zap. Zap is actually an automation and it's going to tell you like do whatever. This is just an example. And then we need to add a trigger. We need to add a trigger, sorry. We can just write it here or we can just add a trigger right here. This is more convenient. And here we need to find ClickUp. If we can't, we can write ClickUp here and it's going to show up. Here you go. Now we need to select an event. What's going to happen and how we are going to create an automation. So let's select one. Triggers when a new comment is added in task. Triggers when a new list is created. Can we go for task? Yes. Trigger when a new task is created. Now we need to connect our account. This ClickUp account right here. Okay, let's wait. Or let me just refresh it. Maybe this is an internet problem. Here you go. Here you go. This is how we connect our ClickUp account here. Okay, so our account has been created. Now we're going to go with action. Whenever a new account is created, whenever a new account is created, what we can do is we can, now this is the action. Create, no. Create spreadsheet. And then we need to connect our Google Sheets account. And once when we do, then we can click on add account to continue and the automation will be created by itself. So this is how you actually connect ClickUp with Zapier. I have added this automation right here that whenever an account is created, whenever a task is created, then what we are going to do, we're going to create a spreadsheet. Or there's another way. We don't have to link it with spreadsheet as well. We can just do it right away and we can click on continue. And here you go. We have created a trigger that only involves Zapier and ClickUp, no Google Sheets. Adding Google Sheets is actually optional. You can do it optionally, but if you only want to keep the automation between Zapier and ClickUp, then this is the way to do it. You can just click on test trigger and you'll be good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.